Hey, it's Dev G again. You ever been to one of those five whys root cause sessions that somehow turned into a crime investigation? Yeah, it all ends up with, well, why do we do that? And suddenly, everyone's asking for their lawyer. Here's the deal: why works great for machines, it's terrible for humans. It triggers blame, defensiveness, and zero learning. Instead, try 5 rounds of what happened here? What led to this? What patterns are we seeing? What does better look like? It's like this: when we replace why with what, we replace blame with curiosity. And that's how real improvement starts. So, next time you're tempted to ask why, remember, you're not solving a murder, you're building a team. This is actually contradictory to one of my earlier posts. I wonder if anyone will notice. Follow, comment, talk to you guys later.